don't need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find what I get it, what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, yes.
Man said we found the god of destruction, Shiva. That's the god of destruction, bro. Okay.
I came in with my ex like Selena, the flex. Bumping Justin Bieber, the fever and left. She know what she need, all she blessed.
What are you saying, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. As you can see, you don't know where this pathway leads to, but I'm about to show you. I'm at an island right now, a little resort called Koh Samui. So the hotel I'm at is called Love D. It's kind of lit, I'll be real. Like, it's very modern, like very youthful, trendy, that type of hotel. What I'm about to show you right now is the pool area still. Hold on. That's the front of the hotel. That's how it looks. And then, I haven't even shown you yet, but boom. This is the pool area, and there's like a little beach, seaside thing at the back as well, which is crazy. You know what, let me get a thumbnail in it. Maybe this thumbnail's good. Huh? This thumbnail might not be that good. Wait, hold on. Alright, whatever. Whatever, fam. So yeah, this is the pool still. We've got a little thing on the side. Pool thing. Looking quite nice, I'll be real. Got a little bar. Alright, look at the view still. See the lighting. This is the view from the pool. So yeah, this is like the whole thing pretty much. I'll show you my room later, I'll be real. Nice little bar here. Yo, I'm late for this thing, bruv. I'm coming.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo, you go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I take one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl insult, oh. I'm a mind that's you the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know.
We're making food.
Who lets the dog out? Who lets the dog out? This is Thai banana. It's not same like Europe, big and long, right? Thai banana very small. Same thing. Russia, we're gonna mix. Come on, let's go.
That shows.
Mix.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Yes,
I need to hold camera.
I hold for you. Do it. Put it there. Do it. Put it right there.
You can wash hands, innit?
Yes.
Okay. Do it with my left hand.
Mix. One time in life, guys, for elephant. Okay, mix, let's do more. Mix together.
Why is he coming to me, bruv? Ja. Are you called me, bro? Man's getting shook. Ja. Bon. Ja. More? Okay. Hold on. Ja. Well done, bro. Chill, man. Don't get shook, bro. It's actually calm. It's actually bare soft, like it's fine. They're not gonna do nothing. Guys, I'm at Elephant Sanctuary right now. This is crazy. Never in my life would I thought that I would be seeing live elephants, live in the flesh. They literally look unrealistic. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's crazy. Hey, this is Thailand for you. It's best, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is probably the best thing that you could do. Like, one of the best things, if not the best things that you should be doing here. Like, this is crazy. Elephants literally everywhere. And they're so gentle as well. So it's like, when I was in its like vicinity, I just felt at ease, like I wasn't scared or anything. Why is he coming to me, bruv? I wasn't even scared in the first place, but I didn't know what to expect. Guys, you are getting the best vlogs right now, don't you think? Like, look at this, man. This is in Thailand, bro. And I'm vlogging at Elephant
Bro, they're like,
Hit the like button.
there's like,
You know what I'm saying? And subscribe if you're new for more travel vlogs.
there's like 4
We're gonna be
right
going
here.
Japan as well, so you know what I'm saying we're gonna go to Japan, bro. Like
Hey,
imagine this. This is
listen.
crazy. This look.
In
We're-
life, enjoy.
That's what I'm saying.
That's all I'm saying.
We're at a peak right now, but then the Japan is gonna be a big peak too. So like it's peak.
Ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it over. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't 4PF, cause he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake.
So we're on another island, guys. Right now, this is very booky what I'm doing. I'm literally walking on a plastic stairway with a 3,000 pound setup with my phone, everything. All this for YouTube, so you lot better like smash the like button, because if I drop, it's peak, bro. It's finished, bro. But we out here, I can't lie, we out here, bro.
You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last, no wiping up. Count the money up.
So right now, I do not know what this island's called, but we're basically doing island hopping. We just did snorkeling, as you guys probably know from the footage. And we're at the next island right now, and we're doing kayaking. So that's gonna be fun. I will try and bring my phone, but I'm definitely not bringing this camera. But I'm trying to get as much footage as possible from my camera, for real. Because the quality of this camera is beautiful, as you guys can see. I've got my mic equipment, that's why it sounds crystal clear as well, can't lie, which is always good. And we're at land. We're here. Hey, this is crazy, man. Wow. Oh. I've got literally my bag in my hand, so it's hard to vlog as well. But, you know what I'm saying? Because I can't put it on my back because I've got a life jacket on. So, I mean, I probably could, but it's just long in it. But we are here.
Let me fall when I want, I just come and go. Man, these niggas too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in image, a picture, bro. They look brave, these niggas start getting low. I spent time on the roots on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Truth's follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise, God, the period.
Right now, I'm just on a boat in the middle of Thailand, on an island. Like, it's crazy, and I didn't mean to even spit bars there, but it rhymed. But gotta smash the like button for this, man. It's crazy. Right now, we're still in Koh Samui. This is like my last few days here, and then we're gonna be off to Pattaya, so that's gonna be lit. Pattaya's got the Sanctuary of Truth. I'll be real, the Sanctuary of Truth is the main reason why we wanted to go Pattaya, innit? But as you can see, we're in Pattaya right now. This is not Koh Samui. This ice bar is in Pattaya, so it's kind of like a party city in a way. Like there's like a party strip, there's bare clubs, things like that. So it was lit, but it's not my favorite place to be. But you guys are going to be seeing the Sanctuary of Truth later. It's kind of lit. But right now we're in Pattaya, so all this footage is Pattaya. what he's saying, guys, I'm in Thailand, Pattaya, and as you can see in the background, that is the Sanctuary of Truth. So we're gonna be going in there right now, and a tour guide, we've got an English tour guide. I have to wait in this long line for now, if you guys can see it in the corner, and we're gonna explore it, you know what I'm saying? It looks very cool, and it's very like religious and stuff, so yeah, I'm gonna be taking you guys on a tour with me, and you're gonna be seeing what the Sanctuary of Truth is all about at the same time as me. So let's go. Look at me. Look at us. Like Bob the Builder, bro.
This is where you come to unlock your potential.
It's where you come to learn Tao, bro. This is where the Tencent, bro. This is probably a restricted area in the Tencent. You can't come here, bro. Wait for it, wait for it. Boom. Ew, look how big it is. Crazy, massive, bro.
It actually looks like if you come in here, you'll master them. I swear.
This is where you come to master Ki.
Oh, there's an elephant there.
You master Nen here. You master Tao. Anything.
Zoe's here.
Oh crap! There's an elephant.
You arrived at
That's
Zoe.
crazy. Hold on. Let me get the elephant in the shot for you. The only thing is with this elephant is, I don't know about the riding the elephant, but I don't think it's good for elephants.
Girls want me, but not you. I want to know, I want to. Shady not this kind thing.
Man said we found the god of destruction, Shiva. Bro,
Fearless.
this is crazy. Yeah, that's Hakai.
It's the Hakai. It is.
He's doing Hakai. No way. Oh, bro, that's the god of destruction, bro.
I didn't even mean to do it.
Man said Hakai. Hakai. Talk to the camera, innit? Because that's actually an interesting conversation.
It's true. If you went to China or anywhere and just train for like 10 years,
Yeah.
and you didn't go on your phone, nothing, you just dedicate yourself to training, I think you'd actually unlock some aura.
Maybe.
Maybe just a tiny percentage, but it'll be enough to wipe everyone out. I feel like I could come here and just touch that Shiva and awaken Shiva.
That's an awakening, the god of destruction. Look at all these elephants, man. What the hell? It was free. Alright guys, so that was the Sanctuary of Truth. Hope you guys enjoyed it, learned something new, had some fun with these anime quotes, you know what I'm saying? If you guys know where it's from, write it down in the comment section below. I'll give you a hint. It starts with Hell's P. That's where a lot of the anime we were talking about is from. And you should watch it if you haven't watched it. It's very cold. So yeah, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new. Make sure to put post notifications on, because we're going to be actually posting in Japan. You know what I'm saying? We're going to Japan. We were in Thailand for like 3 weeks, bro. We're going to Japan next, and it's going to be crazy. Let's go.